Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family, and I'm here today. I'm actually here with a brother that actually, came into the country a few months, and he's been linking with Jam Tours, and now I'm gonna help him to get a bank account and also his KRA pin, so he can buy his land, he can buy his car, he can buy his properties, he can buy his apartment, he can do whatever he wants in Kenya family. So, he actually staying at the Loftel, and as you guys know, the Loftel is a luxury apartment that is cheap and it's modern. And if you're looking to get an apartment in Kenya, you're looking to get one of these families. So, this is where he's staying. Actually, I'm just gonna tell him that I'm waiting for him right now to come. So when he come, he's gonna share his story with your family. This is the Loftel family. We have a few Jamaicans actually living over here right now. At least 5 Jamaicans living over here. So let me tell him that me actually there wait upon him. Yo, me reach me at Loftel now, so forward out. Yeah, family, and also I pick One Love Africa too. And just live over the other side there. So family, when you come to Kenya, we're there to support you and help you to get set up so you won't get scammed. Alright, so this is Jam Tours Africa. We're there and we are do the thing. And when you come in, we already set the foundation for you. So just link with Jam Tours. Yo, me da laugh tell now, so come out. Yeah, so just a link up One Love to make him know say me da laugh tell. Yeah, fun, but Loftel is a nice luxury apartment. And you can get a studio gone already. There's no more studio, there's no more 1 bedroom. Only 1 bedroom available is the one them on the ground floor, and them giving you for half price. So if you want to take the 1 bedroom, I've talked to the developer and he was saying that you can actually do a business, a restaurant or a cafe or whatever it is. You could actually, do something there, family. So, if you see opportunity, you can laugh at it and get at it, family. So, yeah, Jam Tours Africa, we there, we are do it. So we are waiting for my brother for forward with our Loftel and with the inner Kenya. And when you come, you have to link up with Jam Tours to get connected and stay connected, because if you don't, you will get scammed and you have to run back to your country, which we don't want. We want you to come and stay, live, work, and play and grow your family. Just like what I'm doing, I want you to do the same. A lot of person admire what I'm doing and they want to do it too, but you all know it's a process. And if you don't have the connection and you don't have the know-how, trust me, it's rough. Rougher than a crocus. That's what we would say in Jamaica. So we want to let you guys know that we have to support and help you. And we not charge to do them things. We just do them things out of our heart, the love what we have. And the love what we have to bring back Jah people to the motherland, to Africa. The love what we have to bring back, Africans to Africa. It's the Marcus Garvey thing we are dealing with right now. It's a modern thing. Marcus Garvey create a ship for us to go on. No, we want you guys to take the plane, come land, buy your house, breed up some African woman, get some African kids, and build back the thing. Then disorganize the thing with slavery, but we there, I try to build it back, family. We build back the black love and the black family, where people can admire and want to be. So, we there, we are do it. So continue watching this vlog while we go to Diamond Trust Bank. As you know, Jam Tour is now ambassador of Diamond Trust Bank. As you know, guys, we have a big conference, symposium, investment. It's gonna be, so much information. It's like an ecosystem. Everybody, diaspora people, miss this. Actually, it's me and the Pan-African chairman, Fabian, is putting it on with the bank family. So this is a big thing, family. And no other bank in Kenya actually do this for diaspora people, help them to get accounts so quick and fast and so easy. So, and just tell you that, guys, they have some wonderful products. If you have money in your account, you can borrow against it. You can get business loan, you can get mortgage, you can do fixed deposit, you can buy government bonds. So for a person who have money to invest, trust me, family. This is the bank for you, and you really want to come and invest your money, and invest it up, family. So, we're there and we are doing it. So the information is the new currency and you're getting it free from Jam Tours. You see how it's easy, you see it hard, and you get it for free. So, alright family, let's go. I wait for my brother to come. When him come, you go hear what he have to say. Yeah family, so we're there with TJ. Tell the people I want to go on TJ.
Yeah, what go.
Yeah.
So today I was a business. We take a bank account, get everything ready, get full in a system, in a place, you know, some permanent home this.
Yeah.
So they jump tours. We got Ricardo over here, so. One love Africa.
Yeah, the international chef, we cook the Jamaican food.
Yeah, so that's how I can feed you. So just keep posted. We should keep you up to date throughout the day, see the procedure for everything. Until then, catch you later.
Alright, so let's move. Let's move family, let's move. Eh? When we come back, we look upon it. We don't have time here now. What do you think about the place, TJ? What do you think about the place? What do you think about the place? We want Ricardo to show you.
We're seeing that, but you can work
outside.
Yeah.
We can set it up nice, you know, man.
Can sit down clean that.
I put the bag over this and go on the other side.
Clean so we can have people in there.
Yeah. Yeah, family, so we're there with TJ and forwarding. When you forwarding? March?
About that, beginning of March.
Beginning of March. And how you get to link up with Jam Tours? Tell the people them.
No, watch here, so I started some research for Kenya. I come across the channel. I'm like, you know, let me start looking and see what I go on with thing.
Yeah.
The next thing you know, I just saw out like a feeling, I send him a link by Instagram.
Yeah.
He reply back and I ask him some questions like far as how much budget me need and certain things like that time, show me a pre. So now, I'm sorry, give me about 2 to 5 months of me reach.
Yeah.
But pop up on him like almost a month later.
Yeah.
No, but ever since I've been here, he has helped me a lot with finding a place to stay. Right now I'm at the Loftel.
Yeah.
He's been guiding me with a lot of stuff. So right now I'm just grateful, and one day, hopefully like 5 years down the line, I can pay it forward to the next Jamaican or whoever's coming over. I can help them out as well.
Yeah, fine, but just to let you know guys that a bank account is very important in our country. And you know what I mean, it's very important. And what's so good with Diamond Trust Bank is that they have so much you know what I mean, products for investor. You know what I mean, you have a thing called government bond. You can invest in the country and get a higher return. You have a thing called fixed deposit. You can put the money in fixed deposit and get like 10%. You know what I mean, you can actually borrow against your fixed deposit. So if you have a little business, you run out of cash, you can do that. You get business loan and all the mortgage and all them things with your family. So, you know what I mean? The amount of people we bring to them say Jam Tours is now the brand ambassador family. So if you actually want to get an account overseas, I can be like a reference, so you can get your account set up and you can load up your money and you can invest it, so when you come to Africa you have money. Let's say you have a plan, so you want to come in the next 2-3 years and you get a Diamond Trust account and you save your money in it. Every month you put on a 2 grand or a 15 bills or 100 or $1,000 and you put that in a fixed deposit. And you know how much money 3 years that, Ricardo? What about money that 3 years? I have it sit down there. And when you come to Kenya now, you're large, you have a lot of money.
Yeah,
and you know what I mean? I have a relationship. I have a relationship with the bank.
Yes.
So the bank knows, hey, this man is.
No, but what they can actually do with them, they can fix even $3,000 US, they can fix that.
Yeah.
For 3 years time, or even 2 years when they come
Yeah.
to Kenya. When they come to Kenya.
Yeah.
Even 1 year.
Even 1 year.
Because the bank give you a good
interest rate, yeah.
every month.
Every month.
So if they fix up, if they open the bank account now, they fix the money right now.
Yeah.
The time when you're ready to come to Kenya, you don't have to touch the money that you have where you are.
Yeah.
Whatever money that you make here.
Yeah.
So you go.
Yeah, family. So
make it smart.
if you are watching in a diaspora, I say, yo, I want to come to Africa, but I give myself some time, 5 years, 3 years plan. You know the thing go. So that's the rise. Yo, I give you no advice for free right now. I don't even know it. Yeah, this is serious information, Rica. You know when people come to Africa and blow their money dog and go end up run back at the West? Because what them no plan wise, they not actually, you know what I mean?
Things seem cheap, so they spend big.
You spend big, but if you can plan before you come, that is the greatest thing. If you can plan before you come, family. So this advice is for free, and you have to appreciate Jam Tours. Nobody, well, I said, just appreciate Jam Tours. You know, and One Love Africa, we're there.
Yes,
You know what I mean? Because we give things for free. All other people are benefit. As you see, the community that grow and everybody are coming and are tapping. As you know, family, you know what I mean? We have a lot of diaspora people coming into the country right now. Nikki Z have our tour people that are coming in. We have a big independence celebration right now at Branjam, Traverse Culture.
Yeah.
All of these people are coming, family. We are tapping. We have jam tours there. You know what I mean? All are we there and we are do the thing. You know much people are like me right now recording and say, yo, John, we want to come, we like what I do. Everybody get excited, you know my youth, because we kick off the restaurant and people are say, yo, John, so we are dealing with the thing.
They say, oh, we are the business.
Yeah.
Make moves.
Yeah. A lot of people, a lot of other Jamaicans who like, who have Kenya roots, like the father Jamaican and them Kenyan and the mother Kenyan.
Yeah.
Them coming to the restaurant and giving us ideas and giving us, you know what I mean, want to do business with us and stuff. So that's a great thing, you know what I mean?
Yes, yes.
It's a great thing, family. So we don't want you to miss out on the opportunity. We want you to come in and tap in and get some of the opportunity we are give out right now. And it I give out in Africa. The new wave,
True.
the new you know what I mean? You know, this is the new wave and everybody I look to Africa right now because the world will fall down. And so shall it be in the beginning, so shall it be in the end. This is where life starts and where human come from. And this is where you want to be. You want to be in the east and go down to the South Africa side. You know what I mean? That's where you want to be.
That's where you want to be.
Imagine, Ricardo, you know what I mean? All of the animals them. They can't find them, the big 5 animals, they can't find them nowhere in the world but between Tanzania and Kenya and going down to South Africa. They don't know where else. So you can't tell this on the Garden of Eden. And you can't tell me, say, yo, you know the Serengeti where the animal them are travel from back and forth. You know, from creation them are do this.
Yes, from creation.
Yeah. So, you know what I mean, you need to know that it's a part of the Holy Land and it's a place where, you know what I mean, you really want to be and start a family tree.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So it's just some small history, family, and history is just something where downloading in your consciousness, you use common sense to decipher history. Nobody never teach you this. You come and you see what happened, you hear the story, you hear what go on, so the oldest human being found in the East Africa side, all of these things. You hear all of this story. So you know, so
Tanzania, the first civilization of human being.
Yeah, but remember, Ricardo, before all of this Tanzania coming, it was one land mass of people. It was no country like Tanzania, Kenya. It wasn't that. It's the people who colonize, give the country them these names and border it up and cut it up.
I remember saying that before the land this have name still now.
It has name, but just the tribe of people them take it up like So it was to be like, you know, it did have name, but like biblical name, but then wipe it from the history. Yeah. You don't know.
No, because try weak without.
Yeah.
Break our spirit.
Yeah.
So we have to know things.
Yeah, so we're there and we are go family. So continue watching the vlog while we go to the GTC. No, where we're going first. We're going to the immigration attorney, family. That's very important for you guys to know. That we have an immigration attorney that we work with to process out a lot of stuff. Things go easy and clean, and you're not worried about running up to the immigration office. Everything does process out for you. There's always gonna be a facilitation fee. You know what I mean? Facilitation fee, so you don't have to get rejected and you don't have to get a lot of problem with your permits and all of these things. So the facilitation fee you have to pay.
Yeah, they work for you.
So you know when you come to Africa, for you to get things done and quick and fast, you know, sometimes the government them lack a day 6-month thing, you have to have a professional. Like getting a KRA pin, you have to have a tax agent that you work with to do it for you as a foreigner. For locals, they cannot get it like that. But for foreigners, you always have to pay your way. Alright family, so continue watching this vlog. I hope you learn a lot of stuff, and when you come in, you don't make a mistake. You link up with Jam Tours and One Love Africa. Go subscribe, go share.
You and our subscribers, make sure you like, subscribe, share, and follow what's going on the journey, because with me and Jam Tours Africa, they are do. A whole lot of people now do it, but a lot of people is grateful for the service.
Yeah.
So we are giving you guys free insight, so you can take initiative right now.
Yeah.
And make sure you plan yourself according to come to Africa.
Yeah.
As I said, if you open a bank account right now, like for instance, you want to come to Africa by July.
Yeah.
July, and you want to come in December or January next year, whatever it is.
Yeah.
You open an account now, fixed depository money.
Yeah.
So every month the interest rate, that is good interest rate, good.
Yeah.
So every month the interest rate that come off that money and go into your account. When you book your plane ticket and come here, you don't have to spend money from your pocket. You already have money in the country that's fixed, and you already have money that in the country that's in your account you can spend. So if you want an apartment, you want to work on immigration process, if you want to stay, you want to start a business, something.
Yeah.
You have the money in the country already. You don't have to go in your pocket to do that.
Yeah.
You understand? If an Airbnb you want to stay in or have a vacation, you already have the money in the country. And anything else happen in the world, as you see, Rome is going down. Rome is going down. So when things happen in the world and you want to ship up to Africa, in case you want to come here.
Yo, this is a plan, you know. If anything in the States, a riot broke out and
anything.
Cool and all that thing.
You have money here already, can surface.
Yeah.
And in case you're short on dollars where you are, or you have a money you don't want to touch, you already have something here so you can draw from.
Yeah.
So, you want nothing wrong to fix some money, brother. Or do you want to do?
Alright, family. So, we out. One love. God bless. Continue watching the vlog. Let me show you what Kenya look like on the road. Pretty.
You said never let me go. 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 You said
Yeah, family. So we're actually in town, in the middle of Nairobi right now. And when you come to Nairobi, family, there's theaters over there, so we have a lot of stuff. This is where you come and do immigration and stuff there, so. So we're in the middle of town, and we normally park at a church called Wbesite. That's where you can really go for parking, so that's where we're going now, family, to get parking so we can handle our business in town. So, immigration office in town, bank department in Westlands. So, you know what I mean? They say them have available parking. It's like 60 parking, 61 people I live. Morning, mom. Yeah, family. So on a Tuesday morning like this, the parking is gonna be very full. You have to go all the way down to the basement, and it's very hot and warm. So, you know, if you don't come early, if you don't come into town early, now it's like 11. So if you don't come into town early, you won't get like a parking on the first floor. So you have to just do what you have to do. So, you know what I mean? We'll go down and see if we can get something under the second floor. Second floor, and people still are go around. Still can't get. Oh. So somebody will come out right there, so the man will come out and just tell me I come out. So back up a little and just drive in that spot right there, so. Yeah, so yeah, family, Jam was lucky. I'm always lucky. Jah always a guide me. Look up on the wall there, so. So let's go inside this parking that Jack give me. Yeah, family, so I'm actually inside my attorney office right now that deals with all of these services. I just want to show you the services that you deal with. Yeah, family. So these are all the services, family. So if you come into Kenya, you link up with Jam Tours, you get all of these services, you know what I mean, set up. Yeah, family. So there's like a school. I'm actually in the middle of Nairobi right now, and this is a church, family. And below is where you have the car parking. So as you can see, it's a school. You have the kids them playing and thing. Yeah. Well, yes, you ready? First time you come here, so not true? Yeah. In the heart of Nairobi. Alright, so let's go. We can go from this side. No, we go through here, so. I think the attorney office there right there, so. Right on that building, yeah? 89. African Food Cafe. So we actually, it's right there, there. So you can't miss it, TJ, right? Yeah. So anything you want to get done, you want to get your business set up, you want to get your work permit, you want to get anything you want. This is the lady you talk to. You just link up with Jam Tours, you get connected, and you will be sorted. I sorted out so many people, big professional engineers, you know what I mean, who live in Tanzania and work in African countries. I help them to get set up. People who try to go through the system and that take for like long, 3 months, 6 months, no update. I bring them in, and in a few weeks they get their permit, family. So you know what I'm doing is right now is priceless, and money can't buy it. So you know what to do, you need to support. Alright, family, so we are going inside now. Let's go. Yeah, family, so just coming down from the attorney office, and TJ there and get back in passport quick and fast with him extension stamp, family. So this is how we do it, family. When you come to Kenya, I link up with Jam Tours. Yeah, TJ, so how was it? How was the meeting?
Well, it was pretty cool, very simple.
Yeah.
Literally, one-stop shop for everything.
Yeah, you know, do nothing. I know you have your passport, right?
Get my passport, so stamp it properly. So we're good.
And you get some information for the next step.
So we can do everything right here. So eventually I'm going to start a business here. Eventually, they're going to take care of everything here, get my permits, get everything taken care of.
Yeah.
So yeah. So that's the next move now. So on the way to the bank, get that taken care of.
Yeah.
So stay tuned. I'll see what happens next.
All right, family, we out. Let's go. One love. God bless Jamaica. I'm out.